we are going to learn about special multiplication. We have to follow two rules. First, tens place should be same. Second, unit place sum equal to 10. Let's start with example like 46 into 44. First step, we multiply with unit digit number 6 into 4 equal to 24. We write 24. Our next step is to multiply the consecutive number of tens digit. Here our tens digit is 4 and the consecutive number will be 5, so we multiply 4 with 5 equals 20. We write 20. Our final answer 2024. Let's start with example like 12 into 18. First step, we multiply with unit digit number 2 into 8 equal to 16. We write 16. Our next step is to multiply the consecutive number of tens digit. Here our tens digit is 1 and the consecutive number will be 2, so we multiply 1 with 2 equals 2. We write 2. Our final answer 216. Let's start with example like 64 into 66. First step, we multiply with unit digit number 6 into 4 equal to 24. We write 24. Our next step is to multiply the consecutive number of tens digit. Here our tens digit is 6 and the consecutive number will be 7, so we multiply 6 with 7 equals 42. We write 42. Our final answer 4224.